welcome to Bela's Wonderful World. Today, we're going to be opening my new video graphics card, which is the PNY T400. It will help us render our videos way more better. Now my brother here is going to open it. Don't use the scissors. You want me to cut over here so you can just rip it open? Yep. Okay, here, good.
What do you get inside?
So we get this thing.
That's a bracket.
It's a bracket, if my dad says.
For different types of CPU cases.
Yeah, it's meant for like different types of CPU things, and you can connect it to different types of CPU.
Okay.
It comes with a training GPU quick start guide,
Alright.
basically a guide, a support guide, a PNY, 3 PNYs.
Those are mini DP to regular DP adapters.
Okay, these are mini DP to regular DP reactors, and then this is the computer, the video chip. Graphics card.
Okay.
Radio graphics card.
Show the camera what is it. How does it look like?
A graphics card is basically something with a fan, like a chip, a computer chip, but then it's like more for like videos and video games. So it will help us get our videos more, like render our videos more, and it also has a fan, I guess, so it doesn't heat up our computer.
Or heat up the chip that's on the graphics.
Yeah, or heat up the chip that's on the graphics card.
So I'm going to take it out of the casing.
Look at me, Bella.
Okay, don't break it.
Yeah, don't break it.
There's tabs on the side.
Yeah, there's this one tab.
Pull that tab open.
Yeah, pull the tab open.
Separate the two pieces of plastic.
Yeah, already. Okay, why don't you pull it and I'll pull from the this side. Okay, wait, I'll pull. Okay, got it.
Ah,
So this is the card.
yeah, don't touch anything. How does it feel?
It feels really good. The fan is like in motion.
Can you
It
show the
feels.
camera so they feel it?
It has this chip at the back, and it has a fan attached to it so it doesn't heat up the chip or the computer. It has wires connected to the fan and the chip, and it's really good.
Okay, now
Let's
tell the
start.
viewers what you get. That's what they want to know. What does come in the box?
I already told.
No, again.
So again, as in like before, it comes with a turning GPU support guide. It also comes with a turning GPU quick start guide. And it comes with three adapters.
What do you think?
And it comes with the chip itself.
All right. So do you think this will help the computer?
Yeah, I think it will help the computer a lot with the rendering of the video rendering of our videos and with my games I have on there.
Okay, let's so tell the kids. You'll put in the description how it actually works.
I'll put in the description how this actually works and all.
No, how it helps your computer.
And how it helps my computer and my review.
Okay, stay tuned.
Okay, bye. Stay tuned.
Subscribe.
And subscribe and like, ring the bell, and maybe write something in the comments below. Bye.
And subscribe for Bela.